welcome everybody. Thank you for coming and joining us. We're excited to have you here. I'm Ava Udvadia, and I'm a professor in the Biological Sciences Department. I'm a cellular molecular neurobiologist, but I'm also serve as the associate chair, and part of my role is to make sure that all of the undergrads are well taken care of in the department. There are two majors that are offered in our department. There's the Biological Sciences major and the Microbiology major. The Biological Sciences you can do as a Bachelor of Arts or as a Bachelor of Science, and the difference between those two is depending on whether you take calculus or not. In the Microbiology, it is a Bachelor of Science. Furthermore, in Biological Sciences, you can either do a general biology degree, which allows you to explore the various diverse aspects of biology, or you may choose to focus or specialize in cell and molecular biology, which gives you a focus on the structure and function of organisms and cellular and macromolecular processes. This is one of the great preparations for healthcare graduate programs, as is the microbiology program. You also may choose to specialize in ecology, evolution, and behavioral biology. And here the focus is on interactions among organisms and between organisms and their environment. And so this specialty is really well suited for people that are interested in conservation and environmental issues. And it's also been a popular area for those interested in going on to veterinary programs. The microbiology program, everybody should be interested in. It is the study of viruses and microorganisms such as bacteria and fungi. And it is, again, also a great program for students planning to go into a healthcare graduate program. So just to give you an idea of how our programs work over the 4 years, I've put this together to give you an idea of the pyramid in the pyramid approach. So you can see here at the base of the pyramid, we have a strong foundation in chemistry, in math, and in this foundational biology. So the foundational biology year-long course in foundational biology gives you a broad overview of the different areas of biology that you may want to specialize in as you go along. Gives you a great introduction and some introductory laboratory experiences. And chemistry is an important foundation for being able to understand those concepts in biology. We also have a year-long writing requirement. This fulfills that writing requirement for your degree. And then in the second year, all of our majors take genetics, and then many of our majors also have additional requirements, foundational work in organic chemistry and physics. This is particularly true for the general biology degree, the cell and molecular biology specialization, and microbiology. So these are key science foundations that are necessary to be able to understand the upper level coursework in these areas. The specialization in ecology, evolution, and behavior also has other options for fulfilling these physical science requirements, where you may find that a course in geology or geography may better suit your needs for what you want to specialize in later on. For the general biology example, I've included 3 of our gateway courses: general microbiology, cell biology, and ecology. And these are the courses, so all of these courses require that year-long foundational biology, and they now get into more specialized areas of microbiology, ecology, and cell biology, and prepare you then for the electives that you'll take. So there's many different electives, and in fact, our different specializations and the degree in microbiology, really, that's what distinguishes those different degrees, is the specialized electives that you take. So this is all going on in the 3rd year, and by the 4th year, you can have some open electives. So these will allow you to take more specialization, or you could pursue a minor, do some research or internships, pursue interests in other areas even. And part of this also includes a capstone course. So this you can fulfill with a course that allows you to look into a area of research by reading literature from reading primary literature, research literature, or by doing one of those research internships or independent research study with a faculty member. Now, this, I don't expect you to read all of the details in this, but this is just to show you that for all of our options, degree options, we have sample plans that show you how you can complete the degree in 4 years. So you can see here through year 4, fall and spring semester, telling you about all of the courses. So this shows you how you can complete both the requirements for biology as well as for those general education courses that I told you about earlier. By taking 15 to 16 credit hours, you'll be able to easily complete your degree with all of the required coursework in 4 years. And so this is just the example for the general biology degree, but if you check our website, you will be able to find sample plans for all of our options in both the biological sciences and the microbiology major. Now, I know that might be a lot to take in and it looks scary and complicated, but you're not alone. You have a fantastic advising team. So you will have, first when you come in, you will have first and foremost a letters and science advisor. And this advisor will be able to help you with the general requirements for the degree, help connect you with students, help connect you with the campus resources that are available to our students with tutoring and other options. Once you finish that first introductory course in biology, BioSci 150, the foundations course, and you pass that with a C or better, then you can actually officially declare your major in the biological sciences. And when you do that, you'll also get a biological sciences faculty advisor. So these are people who teach and do research in biology, and they are intimately familiar with all of our course options and about career options. And so they will really be able to help you formulate a 4-year plan that is specific to your current interests in biology, as well as your long-term goals. What do you want to do? Do you want to go for a particular career? Does it involve graduate school? How do you prepare for that? So that's what your BioSci advisor can do. And we strongly advise all students to visit both their letters and science advisor and their biological sciences faculty advisor each semester prior to enrolling for courses to make sure that you're staying on track and to make any tweaks that we need to make as your interests may change as you go through the program. So one of the things that I encourage is that if you don't know if you want to specialize in something right away, still go ahead and declare your major in biology, because you can always change to a specialty later on as your interests grow and change.